what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the vivo X100 Pro and this is Xiaomi 14 Pro. For the camera specs of the two, I've just listed on the screen, you can check it out. Sorry that this video took so long. Gosh, I really should spend less time on this product that no one is going to watch. Anyway, I think in this camera comparison video, it's going to be really comprehensive. Like, some of you guys always complain that my previous videos have no portrait photos with human subjects. Well, in this video, I have plenty. Also, some of you guys wish me to focus more on photos. Well, yes, we include lots of photos. And I will put my conclusion at the end of this video, just not to interfere with your thoughts on the two. So please make sure to watch till the end. By the way, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, help me get 90k subscribers. Please go and subscribe. Now let's get started. So what do you think of the photo comparisons between the two? Please leave your comment below. By the way, if you are interested in getting smartphones from China as fast as you want, please check out the website Giztop. Alright, it was funded by my friend and they will always send me the phones for reviewing, and if you buy from them, you directly sponsor me, alright? And I will do such honest video comparisons, in the future. Let's continue. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, 4K 60 FPS for both phones, the vivo X100 Pro and the Xiaomi 14 Pro, both 4K 60. And let's just see, the stabilization, everything. Let's check out everything. Judging from the screen, to be honest, I cannot tell which one is better. Seems pretty much the same, even the color. If you well for the sky, I guess vivo X100 Pro seems a little bit more saturated. And okay, let me just run a little bit, alright? The stairs here. Alright. So That is the square. So lots of people there. You just have fun here. Alright, front camera not 4K because vivo X100 does not support 4K. What a disappointment. But for Xiaomi it supports 4K 60 fps. So let's just compare 1080 60 fps because both phones support. So judging from the screen, I can see that Xiaomi is like really overexposed. But for vivo, wow, so good. The overall scene looks really better and not overexposed. Really, really good. So as you can see, so that's the front. Let me run a little bit. So let me know like which one more stable, which one is more usable. From the front screen, I guess like vivo wins, literally wins a lot. The building here looks has much better, natural color, and also the higher dynamic range, much better. Okay, so just run a little bit. Let me run. Okay. Oh wow. Like for this one, for this part, that is like Xiaomi, the sky got totally exposed. But for vivo, at least you can see the sky, see the clouds, see the blue sky, right? Obviously, vivo wins for this part. Alright, now the zoom tested the main camera. So let's just so for the for the vivo, 2 times, 4 times, 5, 6, 10. Wow! Now for the Xiaomi 14 Pro, 1.4, 1.92, 2.5, 3, 4, 4.3, 6 times. So 10 times on vivo and 6 times on Xiaomi, both at the main camera. Huge difference! Why Xiaomi just falls short on the telescope? On this zoom shots, why? Wow, so Xiaomi looks so grainy, so shaky, so bad. Vivo nails it, and vivo supports 10 times, and Xiaomi just 6 times. So you can see huge difference. Alright, so this is the Ultra, the Ultrawide lens, alright. So on vivo 2, well that's 1, right? 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 10. So this 10. So we're on Xiaomi supports 1.2, 2. So Xiaomi is 2. Holy shit. So Xiaomi, even at the 2 times zoom, Xiaomi looks better. No, Xiaomi looks worse than the vivo. You see vivo, just check how clear it is. Just check out the reflections. Vivo see crystal clear on vivo, right? But for Xiaomi, even the 2 times looks so bad. So this is really bad for Xiaomi. I think vivo like wins for far ahead. You see, Xiaomi looks so grainy, while for vivo, wow, so crystal clear, man. 随便，你拿手的，对。可以慢一点哈。哇哦！啊，可以。来。Alright, front camera at 1080 60 fps. Alright, so let me just handhold it and judge it from the screen. I have no idea who's better, but seems like Xiaomi more overexposed in the background. See, right? But both seems not that great. So let me just run a little bit. Just to let you know, the Xiaomi supports 4K 60 on the front, for vivo on 1080 60 Max. Alright, okay, 4K 60 fps, both at the normal mode. Normal stabilization, default stabilization, default, you know, everything's default. So judging from the screen, seems like Oppo has a higher dynamic range because I can see clearly on the building, more details, brighter. But for Xiaomi, it's like darker, maybe a little bit more dynamic range on Xiaomi, but I cannot say that because for the, you see the bus station here, the light box all got overexposed as well. Cannot say anything. Actually, Oppo even has better dynamic range. You can see, like, I can see very clear, like the text and the vivo, right? But for Xiaomi, no, cannot see clear. But overexposed. Right? So definitely vivo has a better dynamic range. I don't need to compare this on the screen on the computer. I can move to this part, right? Okay, now you can see clear, right? Like for this, like a Samsung W24 Flip, like here, I can see very clear there is a man, there's a human behind this phone, right? But for Xiaomi, got totally overexposed, cannot see anything. Wow. So that is good for vivo. So let me just run a little bit. Let me know like which one has better stabilization. Okay, we'll just walk. Okay, let me know everything about it. Alright, now both phones add ultra steady, you know, super stabilization. Both only supports 1080p. So let's just run. I guess not that good. Or even I like hand hold it, I can see that, you know, jittering effect, just bouncing back and forth, that I can fit on Xiaomi. Well, for vivo, it seems like, you know, shakes a lot. Okay, better not use this in this kind of low light situation. All right, just use the normal one.